Hello guys, I'm Marcel from Virgin Hair Vietnam. Bleached hair is considered the most popular hairstyle currently in all countries around the world. The chest tiny less frizzy hairstyle is a virgin hair and is then a firm and tight from the wax to the end. Moreover, is shiny hair for every classy woman who loves fighting. Let's take a closer look at this hair. Bleached hair is made from 100 Vietnamese human hair. This hair is created by steam and heat process. It's very flat and hollow folds, so it doesn't take too much care, and especially can be bleached and dyed to the liking of customers. So this hair is always the right and perfect choice. If you have any question, please let me know. I will happy to help you. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.